In the last few sessions, we were studying about descriptive statistics. So I told you in statistics we will study about inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. And descriptive statistics we were discussing about the measures of central tendency and then measures of dispersion and measures of shape. Now we are moving to measures of correlation. So this is a slightly advanced topic, but we will study about this in detail in later lectures. I will just give an introduction about what are these measures of correlation. So let us see what are these measures of correlation. So the first one is Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. So let us see what it is. So suppose you have a set of data, two data given, that is, suppose you are given a data set of marks and also you are given age of these students who scored these marks. So it will go like this: 100, 90, 70, etc. And age also sometimes goes like this: some 18, 16, 25, etc. So if you want to find, is there any direct relationship between them? Suppose mass can increase as age is increasing, or sometimes it can be reverse: mass decrease when age is increasing, like that. So if you want to find some kind of a correlation between these sets of data, then it can be established with the help of this correlation coefficient, particularly this Pearson correlation coefficient. We are using this. So we will study about this in linear regression, where we'll use this regression coefficient and correlation coefficient. So in this case, you can see its range is from -1 to +1. So that means if two variables directly correlate, then it can be positive value. If it is directly proportional, then it can be 1. And if f increases and y decreases, so it can be negative value, it will be close to -1. If there is no relationship at all, then it will be 0. Okay, so this is what you mean by this correlation coefficient, values of correlation coefficient. So these are there are some assumptions on this. We assume that variables are continuous, have a linear relationship, and are approximately normally distributed. We will see what you mean by normally distributed in the next few lectures. Okay. Now we are moving to Spearman's rank order correlation coefficient. Again, so when we discussed about the types of data, okay, types of data. So let us take a look back. So that means in descriptive statistics, no, in statistics, the first thing we studied about are the types of data. We have studied about nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. We have seen what you mean by nominal and ordinal data. Nominal data means data like gender, marital status, which does not have much significance or relationship between them. Okay, if you are given this type of data and you want to find relationship between these data, these two sets of data, we will use these measures of correlation, that is Spearman's rank order correlation coefficient. So it measures the strength and direction of monotonic, that is constantly increasing or decreasing but not necessarily linear relationship between two continuous or ordinal variables. Okay, so we have seen nominal and ordinal data. So this is mainly used for ordinal and nominal data also. We will use this correlation coefficient. So this works by ranking the data for each variable. Okay, that means you are getting several data like 2, 4, 6 and 5, 6, 7, 9. We will assign ranks to them, 1, 2, 3, etc. Here also we will assign ranks, and then we calculate the correlation coefficient using these ranks. So we will do detailed exercises on that in the coming lectures. Okay, so this is used when data is ordinal or nominal and not normally. Sometimes the data will not be normally distributed. We will see what is normally distributed in the next lecture. And when the relationship is not strictly linear and consistently moves in one direction, so it is less sensitive to outliers than PSS. So this is the advantage. So these are the two correlation coefficients that we use. We will study about each one of these in the coming lectures only. That means after a few, when we study regression and about non-parametric test, etc., we will study about this in detail. Okay.